Okay, you guys, it's another morning. It's a little colder this morning, but the sun's already warming up and it's getting warm. It's getting nice out there. It's supposed to have spotted rain showers, thunder showers today, something like that, thunderstorms today. But for the time being, it's nice out there. Look at this. Yeah, nice and sunny. Okay, look at what we're doing today. We got the Buick in here this morning because we're going to replace her parts. You know, all of this. Now, what I do have is we've got the old fender because the new owner, we discussed it, and he's got a connection to a body person, panel person. Okay, over here we've got the new bumper support. Yeah. Got the replacement headlight, we've got the replacement fog light assembly, we've got new condenser, and we've got a new radiator. I also, because this car they lost the key fob for, right down in there in the cup holder, there's a new key fob with a flip key in it. That'll be up to him to get it programmed and all that, but I've actually got a connection to help him out with that too. So yeah, today hopefully I can get all that stuff put in the next couple hours, and we'll get her out of here. Get her to her new home tonight. All right, let's get to it. Roll that time lapse. that's about all she wrote for the Buick. I got the coolant burped, running fine. We got everything reinstalled. She doesn't look perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but much better than having a crinkly opening right here and having this all wide and gaping open, having a missing and cracked and broken fog light, plus a radiator that actually works. And tomorrow I will get the AC done. Couldn't get it done tonight. I ran out of time. I have a few other things to take care of this evening. But that being said, thank you for joining me as always on this journey, this epic journey to get this Buick Enclave ready for her new owner, which will be coming tomorrow. Yeah, thank you again for joining me, and thank you for always coming back. Thank you for liking and smashing that thumbs up down below if you liked the video. Thanks for telling your friends, inviting them. Thanks for having a conversation with me. I always appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell if you want to get notified every time I drop a video, which is generally every Friday. That schedule may change as my content starts to grow because I have a whole lot coming up, so I might have to release 2 videos a week. But anyway, that being said, I'm going to end this here. This is the Mastr-of-none signing out of the Toy-bBOX garage. Thank you all again. We'll see you on the next one.